Dumating na sa bansa ang ikalawang Miguel Malvar class frigate ng Philippine Navy na tatawaging BRP Diego Silang o FFG-07. Gayunman, isa sa ilalim pa sa Technical Inspection and Acceptance o TIA ang bagong guided missile frigate ng Pilipinas bago tuluyang maisama sa active fleet ng Philippine Navy. Dito sinusuri ang kumpletong sistema ng barko mula sa makina, radar, armas at komunikasyon hanggang sa safety equipment. Kasama sa proseso ang Sea Acceptance Test kung saan sinusubok ang bilis, maneuverability at kapasidad ng barko habang naglalayag. Makakatulong ang bagong barko sa pagpapalakas ng kakayahan ng Pilipinas sa pagbabantay at pagtatanggol karagatan ng bansa.
Upon joining the active fleet, the second Miguel Malvar class frigate will enhance the Philippine Navy's operational readiness, maritime domain protection, and capability to uphold a free, secure, and rules-based international order.
The overall posture that this will give to the Philippine Navy and the AFP is that we have more capable ships that could patrol our maritime domain for longer periods of time. And they are fully supported through our forward operating bases.